Every afternoon, fatigue hits like a wave, slowing productivity to a crawl. Enter Siberian Wellness Anti-Fatigue Tea, a unique blend of Siberian herbs known for boosting energy and mental clarity. Rich in Eleuthero root and Rhodiola rosa, it naturally fights fatigue and enhances focus, ideal for athletes and health-conscious individuals. By becoming a privileged client or consultant, you gain premium access to exclusive Siberian wellness products and lucrative business opportunities. Ready to boost your health and your income? Join today and visit the links below to explore more. ebon/de.siberianhealth.com/shop/user/registration SALT 26519622224.